Right. No, we have been using RMail and RSign for 2+ years. So I love it. We love it because it is so easy. And before that, like everyone else, I was using something for RSign and for secure email. I don't know how many different things I looked at it. Everything was so complicated. And we do get emails from different carriers, which is like you have to create a password and it doesn't work. And every time so RMail and RSign are excellent and we love it. And it's like no issue at all. It's like sending any email and it prompts you. And I love that R in red color so people don't forget. And I haven't heard any complaint from our customers, surprisingly, because obviously when we get it, it's not that hard for them to reply to us secure. So um, everyone loves it. People in my office really like it. And we have been using both the tools for 2+ years. And now, of course, with the COVID and everybody at home, and we literally had to go home. We are in New Jersey within 2 days, so I couldn't give people any computers, printers. But with these two things, nobody has to print, especially for our sign. No one has to print anything. I find that if you're not able to reach customer by any mean, but at least you're sure that they did get your email, when you can get that receipt back, and it shows open and received, not only just received, open, and then you feel, you know, that they got, and it just didn't go somewhere in a big black hole.